Over the last 6 months, I've grown 3 different short channels on YouTube. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how much YouTube paid me for 1 million short views. And if you have been curious about whether YouTube short actually pays or it's profitable, then you're about to get all the answers in this video. And by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding. Maybe you should invest your time in short channels or if it's even worth it. So let's dive into it and let's get the real numbers, as I'll be showing you the exact amount in real time and how it works for me and what I did differently. And I'll also give you tips on how to maximize your YouTube short views in the next couple of minutes. So let's get into it. If you are new here on this channel, my name is Michael, and in this channel I make videos on tricks and tips to grow your YouTube channel. And if you are interested in growing your YouTube channel, then consider subscribing to this channel and like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to others. So let's get the real number right now. So I will go over to my YouTube studio, and then you can see I have more than 133,000 subscribers, and this channel is just a 7-month old. This is actually the first channel which I have successfully grown on YouTube, and the second one is there. I can still show you. You can see it's actually a short channel, and I want to show you one of the videos that gets 1 million views, more than 1 million views, and I will show you what make it works and how it actually boosted. Okay, so I will go over to my analytics, and you can see right now that I have 419,000 views in the last 48 hours, and I'm going to click on this video right now that has over 1 million views. It's actually a 1.1 million views right now. As you can see, this short has gotten 1,165,000 views since it was published. And it actually last month I published these short videos. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down to the audience retention. If you watch this video right now, you can see that I have give you clear steps to boost or to get more views on your YouTube short channel, and that is exact thing I applied to this video. You understand? So you can see the audience retention. The audience retention from here is over 151% retention from the start, and it's come down to 53% retention rate. 53% of the views watch the old videos, and which is the video length is about 55 seconds, you understand, and 53% watch the old video. Now let me go back. You can see the audience in the last 48 hours, this video is still getting views, over 110,000 views in the last 48 hours, right? Now you can see 83.3% stay to watch the video. That is actually a green sign for YouTube algorithm to recommend this video for more people on YouTube. You understand? Now when I go to the reach, how many people YouTube show this video to? You understand? So you can see where I'm getting views from is the short feed. 95% of the views of the reach come from the short feed, and 2% of it come from YouTube search. Suggested videos 0.7%, browse feature 0.4%, and external site or app where this views is coming from whatsapp.com and Google search. You understand? So you can see right now, and when it comes to the engagement, you can see we have engaged views, and we have unique views, and you have watch hours, and you have average view duration. You understand? Now when it comes to the engaged view, the engaged views actually the views that YouTube is paying you because of. It's not the main 1.1 million views YouTube is paying me because of. The engaged view. So how does this engagement views work, or how viewers engage? You can see out of 1.1 million people YouTube showed this video to, you can see 75.4% actually stay to watch the video. How does this work is that you need to first of all make your hook more stronger and be able to hook those viewers to watch the whole video. You understand? You cannot keep everybody to watch the whole videos, which is understandable, but make sure you are able to hook them to watch at least 3 to 5 seconds of your video, which is going to pay you more money if they watch more than that. You understand? So you need to still rewatch this video right here, and you will have a clear understanding of what I'm talking about. You understand? You can see 24.6% swipe away, and that's still fine. You understand? So when it comes to the unique viewer, thank you all for watching this video. You can see I have 590.2k views as the unique viewer, and the watch time, you have 8.5k watch time, and average view duration is about 0.45% out of 55% the video length. You understand? So when it comes to the audience, it gives me 2.0 thousand subscriber, 2.0k, or let me say 2k subscribers. And let's get to the deal, the revenue, how much it actually earned since it was published. So for the revenue, you can see it earned me whooping $116 since it was published, and it's still coming on it. I think it will have reached $120 as of yesterday, because the yesterday revenue have not shown up right now. So you can see this is the gap right here, and you can see it has consistently making money on every single day. You can see right here they are making money on every single day. So you can see YouTube actually paid me $116 for 1 million short views, and let's say 695,000 engaged short views. You can see what I'm talking about right here. 640,000 views is the engaged view that they are paying you because of. It's not because of the 1.1 million views you are seeing outside. You understand? So the people that stay to watch at least 3 to 5 seconds of the videos will be counted as engaged views. You understand? So as you can see, I'm earning 18 cents per 1,000 views, and I think Nigerians actually have lower RPM on short. You understand? And I'm going to make another videos on how to get your short views from high paying country, so that you can make more money while you post your short video. You understand? So you can see I made 18 cents on this video, and which is very high. You understand? Compared to what they are paying Nigerian actually have 0.04 to 0.07 per 1,000 views, and these videos is actually making 0.18, which is 18 cents per 1,000 views. It's actually high. So if you have been wondering if short channels actually pay and what's investing time for, then it's actually worth it. You understand? It actually worth it. Over the last 28 days, I've made more than $1,300 on short channels only, and it's something that you can do, which is faceless channel. You understand? I don't actually show my face right here. I only show my face on this channel, and I have more than 4 short channels that are making me money right now. So if I'm telling you how to get views or how to get subscribers on YouTube, I know what I'm talking about, and that is why I've come on this channel to document everything right here and show you how it works. So consider subscribing to this channel and watch these videos on how to make the algorithm love your channel. And if you are interested in growing and make money from YouTube, then subscribe to the channel, and I'll meet you in my next video. So thanks for watching. Bye.